If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, fabric collage artist, or journal maker, welcome to Anitavee Textile Designs, curated fabrics for texture, warmth, and depth. This week begins my Foundation Bundles collection, grounded materials to support your creative base. We'll go ahead and get started with our linen canvas starter pack, which is part of our foundation series. The first fabric in this bundle is unbleached linen. This is a nice weight fabric, not too heavy. You can look closely, you can see the specks in the weave, so that kind of gives it a nice little interest there. This measures 9 by 12 inches, and you'll get 2 cuts in this bundle. Okay, the next one is cream canvas. This is a mid-weight fabric, just a little bit of see-through, not too much. This also measures 9 by 12 inches, and you will get 2 cuts of this as well. The next fabric in the bundle is natural muslin. This is a fabric that I'm sure most of you have worked with. This one is actually, I believe, the wrinkle-resistant variety. This one also measures 9 by 12 inches, and you will get 2 cuts of this. The next fabric, and actually the last one in this bundle, is black cotton duck. This is 100% cotton, of course, and just a little bit of see-through, not too much. This one measures 9 by 12 inches as well, and you will get 2 cuts of this. Okay, so that completes our reveal of the linen canvas starter pack. All pieces in our linen canvas starter pack measure 9 by 12 inches. Use these as backgrounds for slow stitching, journal pages, and layered collage. In addition to the linen canvas starter pack, 2 different foundation bundles are also available. Be sure to check out all 3 in my shop. New videos every Tuesday, sneak peeks every Thursday. Join my VIP list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order. Links to VIP list and bundles are in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you Thursday for a sneak peek into next week's bundle.